Hey, to turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode on the Realme Note 50, first you have to go to the settings, then move into the notifications. Now, you will have to scroll down and select the Do Not Disturb mode. Now, you can just quickly turn it on by tapping on this switcher, and when the Do Not Disturb mode is turned on, you can actually find this icon on the right upper corner on the status bar. And from this, you can also personalize this option. So first, you can actually set what can interrupt the Do Not Disturb mode. So you can actually add some people from the messages on the calls. The same for apps. So if you want to still get notifications from, for example, Google Drive, you can, for example, activate the all notifications or, for example, specific notifications, like, for example, only comments. And then when we go back, we can also set this interruption for the alarms. Just from this, reminders, calendar events, and touch sounds. And from this, in the general settings, we can actually find some schedules. So as a default, we've got actually two schedules, the sleeping and the event schedule. So we can quickly turn it on and off. But also we can add the multiple schedules by clicking here. And also we can customize the current existed schedules. So we can change the days, start time, end time, and next, when we go back, we can also find the duration for quick settings. So we've got until we turn it off for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, for example, or ask every time. And from this, we can also get the display options for hidden notifications. So we can set the custom options from this, but also we can get no sound from the notifications or no visuals or sound from the notifications. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.